beautiful people, it's me, Davy Baby, and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, it's a little different. I don't think I've done a cooking slash baking video in a while. So, welcome to my kitchen. As you guys know, I'm typically not in the kitchen much. I feel like I've been in the kitchen a lot more lately. This year, I will be in the kitchen for Thanksgiving. I will not be doing a lot, but I'll be doing a little something. So this year I'm actually gonna be making scalloped potatoes, cornbread, and mushroom salmon. So I figured, I'm like, why not show you guys like something easy to make for Thanksgiving? I know for a lot of people they're like, I don't belong in the kitchen. If you're like me, I don't belong in the kitchen, but somehow I made it into the kitchen. So I'm gonna show you how to make my cornbread. It is so easy. I don't even know if I should be calling it my cornbread because it's so easy. It comes to like basically on the recipe of the box. I just modified it with a couple of things. It's not a secret. A lot of people make their cornbread this way. I just switch up a couple of things. So like I said, this is gonna be super easy. Anybody can make this. If you mess it up, it's because you wanted to mess it up. You didn't want to do it right. You really don't want to be in the kitchen. So without further ado, let's get into the cornbread. So like I said, the cornbread already comes with like instructions on the side. You can get this at Target, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Winn-Dixie. Ingredients you're gonna need are the Jiffy corn muffin box mix. You're gonna need eggs. You could follow this recipe. I don't follow this recipe. Instead of milk, I use sour cream. Like 8 ounces, yeah, 8 ounces of sour cream. I like putting actual corn in my cornbread. I get the whole kernel. Got this from Target, you don't have to get it. I also like to add like pumpkin spice to mine, not a lot. Promise y'all, it's gonna make the world of a difference if you put too much. So I'm gonna do that. Obviously, like your basic things you need for baking, like oil. And I'm gonna be using this pan, what is it? It's a 4.5 by 9 baking pan. And a bowl and a fork. I have a mixer, but I don't like using my mixer. I don't know if it's because it's not high tech enough, but I feel like my mixer is so difficult to clean, so I don't like using it. But let's get to the nitty gritty. We're gonna go ahead and open the package. Ooh, girl. You're gonna start off with the Jiffy mix and take that straight out of the box. I rip the box because sometimes the bags likes to stick to the box. Once again, I said this is super quick and easy. You can make this day of. If you want, you can make it the night before, but I prefer that my cornbread be fresh. So I'd like to make it the day of. I'm just showing you guys how you make it. So I went ahead and put the whole box in this bowl. It's like cornmeal. It's already pre-made, so that's what makes it super easy, super fast. I'm gonna go ahead and take my sour cream, put this whole thing. This is gonna act as the milk. It's just that I've been told sour cream gives it more moisture as opposed to putting like, I think it asks for like a 1/3 cup of milk. I'm gonna put this whole 8 ounce in here. You don't have to, but I like to get rid of the like liquidy part that sits at the top of the sour cream before I pour it in because I just don't like it. Y'all are about to hate me. Make sure you preheat your oven. That's what you should have started with. Oh my God, I'm really bad at this. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees before we even start. Make sure y'all don't watch this video and do it as I go. It's easy, but I make mistakes. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in a bit before I add the other ingredients because things be getting stiff a little. Nothing too crazy, just a little mixing. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 regular sized eggs. They don't have to be large eggs. Maybe if you want to just do 1 egg, it could be 1 large egg, but I'm gonna do 2. The recipe on the box calls for 1. A lot of time whenever I bake things, I tend to like double, like I put double the milk, double the eggs. I don't think do I do double the butter? Maybe even double the butter. Like I do not follow the recipe the way I should. Shout out to those creators who do content like on their phone and their like camera, cause that is difficult. I don't know how they do it. But now here's what we're looking like. Here's what we have. I have the 2 eggs, the sour cream, the batter, and now, ooh, I almost forgot. Girl, we almost forgot the corn. Oh my God. So I'm gonna take like literally my pumpkin spice. I'm gonna go like, oh, that was it. It already fell in. Boom. That's all I'm gonna do. Here she is. Boom. And I'm gonna go ahead and whisk this. I say whisk, but I'm gonna just use my fork. I'm gonna go ahead and whisk, whatever you wanna call it, this together till it's like more of a batter rather than everything's being separated. And then we're gonna add the corn afterwards. La la dee, la la la. Whenever I cook, not whenever, but a lot of times when I cook, I like to play like Ratatouille on my TV for background music because I feel like a little chef. Ooh, don't fall out, girl. Please don't fall out. Wait. You see me? Gotta be careful, y'all. So I'm gonna keep on whisking this with a fork. It smells like yogurt, I guess because the sour cream. I'm gonna go ahead and open my corn. BRB, because I struggle like this and I don't want y'all to see me struggling to open the can. Alrighty, I've got my corn. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it. I don't keep the corn juice. I don't keep that corn juice. And then I'm gonna go ahead and drop it into the batter. The whole thing. I like to use the whole thing. I like plenty of corn in mine. It's corn. Ooh, it smells good. I want to eat this straight out the can. And then we're just gonna mix it. Mix it. Oh, there's still juices in here from the corn. Don't worry. It'll bake right out. This is, you're baking. You know, you're doing this for fun, for peace. Like, it don't have to be perfect. Oh my God, I want to show y'all, but it's looking very liquidy. Make sure you drain your corn like all the way, because I didn't want it to be liquidy, but it's gonna bake out. We'll be fine. Once you're done mixing that, you're gonna put this to the side for 2 seconds. Put it to the side for 2 seconds. We're gonna take our baking pan and put some butter on it. By now your oven should be on 400 degrees. Even if you like followed me and did it after you started, it should be on 400 degrees. So we're gonna go ahead and pour the batter into the pan. So I have a little more than half the pan filled. It rises when you bake it, so I'm not gonna fill it all the way up. And there's not much left in the actual actual bowl. If you have like little dishes, like little things you could to bake the rest, you can. Like I have these small, I forgot what they're called. Basically, like people use like for like creme brulee and soufflés and stuff like that. You could put them in these. What are they called? I feel like I begin with the R. You can put them in these, the remainder, but I'm just gonna throw the rest out. Sorry for being wasteful, but I'm gonna put this, like I said, I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 20 minutes. That's what the box says, but we're not following the box's recipe. So I'm just gonna check on it like every couple of minutes to make sure it's up to my standards. So see y'all in a few. Okay, y'all, so I actually had it in the oven for like 40 minutes. I probably would have taken off 5 minutes, but look at her, she's still hot, nice and brown. I think I would have wanted it like a little less brown, but she smells amazing. She smells so good. So I'm gonna give it like a couple minutes, maybe like 15-20 minutes to cool down a little more. You can already see, like, hold on, let me move this. Be careful. Look. That's cornbread, baby. That's corn muffin, corn mix, corn casserole, whatever you want to call it. It's good. It's dessert. I know some people make a glaze. I've made a glaze before with butter and honey and brown sugar. I'm not doing that today because I'm just not in the mood to make a glaze, but I know it's about to eat down. So I'll be back in like 20 minutes. So I actually decided to make some tomato soup while I was waiting for the cornbread to cool. Now that it's roughly cool, it's been about 15 minutes. Yeah, the pan's not. It's still hot, but I can touch it. Like, it's fine. Which is great for me. I'm gonna go ahead and cut myself a slice. Ooh. Hold on, y'all. Like, okay, I wish I could give y'all a flat lay of what this looks like. I haven't eaten all day. It's like almost 2 o'clock. So this is perfect for me right now. Ooh, yes, it looks like it. Okay, so you guys can see like the brown part on top. I'm touching this is my piece. It doesn't matter. Here's what she looks like on the inside. Hold on, let me get a little closer for y'all. Yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. Nice and soft. I already know this about to eat. Oh my God. Mm. It's so moist. The sour cream really does it. Like, anybody who tells you you need to follow a recipe is a liar. Granted, it probably would have been like the standard, maybe a little more firm, but I like mine a little more fluffy, a little more like a souffle. Oh my god. It's like dinner and dessert all in one. And I'm super happy I did the butter because it doesn't stick to the pan. It looks super clean. You can see like, ooh, girl, you're about to eat this up. But that's really it. Super cute, super quick, super easy. No need to thank me. Y'all could be the rave all at Thanksgiving. You can make the dessert. Next, you could maybe even try to make yourself a little pumpkin pie, but that's not what this video is about. Anyways, thank y'all for staying tuned through the whole video and making this cornbread with me. I'm really glad I was able to do this because I haven't been doing like any cooking videos in a long time. And I've been in the kitchen a lot. I want to like start making more cooking videos. I want to do a lot of other things. I'm still gonna do beauty, but just watch out because I'm gonna be doing a lot of other stuff too. Let me know if you end up making the cornbread. Super simple. Everybody, like, I feel like everybody knows this recipe. You just put your own little spin on it. Like, not everybody puts corn in their cornbread. I like to add pumpkin spice, but not everybody likes to do all that shebang. They just like to go with the box. But let me know if you try this and if you like it down in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video.